Hi, I'm Gregory from Butcher Block. I own and operate and run Butcher Block in Manor Park, which is in the Upper Plaza, in between True Value and Sugar and Spice. We cook from frozen because I do not like to use any additives, fillers or binders in my burgers. So they're all pure beef and seasoning. And we're doing the Scotch bonnet and a bacon wrap. I put the primer on 4 minutes for the first side. It's great to start with good quality meat, but a burger bun is crucial. If that first bite is a crusty old piece of bread, it ruins the whole burger. No matter how good my meat is, it's gonna ruin the meal for you. We don't sell them yet, but we may be in the future. Our gourmet burgers are $2,000 for a pack of 4. Each burger is 6 ounces. That means it's $500 a burger for a pack of 4, and that is significantly less than anything you'd pay at any restaurant. There are no fillers, no binders, and is lightly seasoned with our in-house seasoning. And then I'm about to flip it right now. About 4 to 5 minutes. I did 4, and I probably could have done 5. And then I'm gonna flip it again. So I'm gonna reset this now to 5. And by the way, you can do this on your stovetop. You don't have to have a grill. Our burgers are pre-seasoned. You do not need to add anything else. It has salt in there, it has garlic, it has celery powder. It is perfect in my opinion the way it is. I'm gonna take this call, it's to work.